I think it's perfect. You guys should try it at home. Hey everybody, Papa's here. Well, you know that. Hey, look, I'm gonna make a salad. It might be a little too gourmet for you guys, but give it a try because it's kind of fun. I did this years ago. Let's start with some romaine lettuce. Next thing we're gonna do is get some really thin onion. It's coming out pretty thin. I want it really thin, so just a little bit more here. See, I can slice on the mandolin and talk to you. This is gonna be a citrus base, because you know how much I love citrus. Just a little more onion here, maybe one more section. Oh yeah, got some good onion then. So it's like Maui onion, but you see how it's kind of paper thin? That's what's nice about the mandolin. So I'm gonna put that there. Now, a little grapefruit slices. Sounds crazy, huh? It's not. Papa hasn't lost his mind yet. The salad's gonna be really fun. The dressing is a little mango and champagne citrus vinaigrette with desert gold, which I'll show you. So we've got this going here, that. Now here comes a really important one, the endive. Endive's got kind of a bitterness going to it. The grapefruit's got a little bit of bitterness, but the dressing's gonna have some sweetness. So between that, we should be pretty cool. Okay, get the endive in there nice. Probably do another one here. What knife skills? Got grapefruit, paper thin onion, romaine, endive, a little avocado. Notice how you go. Magic trick, watch this. 1, 2, 3. Gotta go in here. So I'm slicing it like this. In half. Now, look how these came out. This is really a good salad. You should give it a try. It's a change up. You get used to the chef salad, the Caesar salad, the standard ones, and it's nice to mix it up every once in a while. Listen, we like avocado, so we're gonna put a little more, we're gonna use the rest of this avocado. Okay, like I said, the avocado is gonna be really kind of a neutral and a texture play here. The endive and the grapefruit are some bitterness, okay? Some intended bitterness. Does this sound good? Intended bitterness. We're almost done. Now, freshly crumbled feta cheese. Look at that. There we go. Here's our salad. Now let's make the dressing. Extra virgin olive oil and good stuff. It's gonna be ½ a cup of extra virgin olive oil. About a ½ a teaspoon of the lemon. And about a half, now this one I'm gonna get some sweet. I got the champagne citrus for a little bitter, which again, I told you about the bitterness in the endive and the grapefruit, but now this mango vinaigrette is very sweet. Now, great thing about this is you can always taste it and add to it. So here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna pour some desert gold in there. And it's not just because I make it. I'm adding some sesame, I'm adding some citrus, I'm adding some garlic, I'm adding all kinds of stuff. So sometimes your rubs are great in salad dressing sauces and stuff. So love these immersion blenders. One more mango. I think it's perfect. You guys should try it at home. All right, so we've got our salad. We got our dressing. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator. We're gonna put the dressing next to it. And right before we serve, we'll put the dressing on. So there you go, Big Papa's endive and grapefruit, feta, avocado, Maui onion, romaine lettuce, salad. How about if we just call it Big Papa's Monday salad? Adios.